Hello friends, it's Reza from channel Reza Blade. Those of you who are my subscribers, welcome. I might not be able to see your comments. I couldn't see them yesterday during the video, so I do apologize in advance if I'm not able to interact with you. Do please still add the comments. I will go in there after the video has posted, and I will look at your comments and answer any questions you have. But welcome. I have received from Therese from Beautometry a 20-day Halloween countdown to Halloween box. Lots of fun packages for me to open. At noon every day until the 31st, I will be opening a few or just one, depending on at what stage we are in the game, items from these packages. At the very beginning, you will be, by the way, you'll be able to find these on my YouTube channel, which is Reza space Blade, R-E-Z-A space Blade. And there is a giveaway. I think I'm picking somebody at Sunday at about noon. So you'll go to the International Nail Art Society with Beautometry, I think is the name of the Facebook group. The terms of the giveaway are, this is the plate we're giving away, and you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel and to Beautometry's YouTube channel. This plate is Embrace the Darkside 03 by Michelle from Hit the Bottle. Beautiful plates. This is the third in a series. I recommend you get them all. They are all available at Beautometry. Last couple of days I had a different mani on. I did the Bride of Frankenstein's Monster along with some of these Dracula images. I think that's very Bela Lugosi, don't you? Anyway, so I have a new set of manis for you today. I did one of these 3 years ago. It was really a pain to type in, but I'm just wearing these for fun today. So here we go. And then this is the an image from the new brand. B Loves Plates has a new brand called, Beautometry is carrying a new brand, new to her, called B Loves Plates. Great stamping polishes, great stamping plates, a lot of fun. So the box came in this huge box of treats. Now, if you see in here, we got a bunch of bags and packages still to open, and they're all labeled for you, for me, for anyone who got the box. The box, I think it was $110 for the 20 item box, which is about $5 per item. This is a $17 plate, and this was the first item in there. So serious value for the money, guys. This is a lot of fun. And I know that a lot of work went into packaging these up for our little daily presents. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I have pulled out of the packages in the past few days. Again, the past items are available on YouTube, the past videos. And every day at noon we're doing this. So this is actually the B Loves Plates Halloween plate. It is available on Beautometry site. B.09 Spooky Halloween. And there were some great foils. It turns out my foil glue is 8 years old and 99 cents from China. So I think I'm grounded from foils until I find a better place for foil glue. If anybody has any recommendations, I'd love to hear them. We did get this awesome green stamping polish from B Loves Plates. It shows up great on black in one of the previous packages. And I wanted to show everybody this cool white and gold stamping polishes that a friend gave me for my birthday. This is also available on Beautometry. It is Be a Snowman. Anyway, so do join us at YouTube and do enter the giveaway. And I think that, all of that being said, that super long intro, it's time to try to open some more presents. Oh, I didn't show you my Stealth Gross Mani. This is actually an image from the giveaway plate from Embrace the Darkside 03. I don't know if you can see, but these are maggots. And they're just, you know, bright, fun holiday nails until you look a little closer and you're looking at swarming maggots. So that's a lot of fun. So we're going to be opening 3 because we're kind of playing catch up. FedEx did a bad thing and sent everybody's stuff back to Virginia before everything came out to us. Anyway, I usually try to work with these with scissors. I don't know what has made me decide that I could do that with my nails today. So here's day 7. Let me try to be gentle with it. I really love all these little cute bags. If you're more careful than I am, you can kind of keep these intact and use them if you have kids, kind of to package up some fun things. So let's see what is in day 7. Everything is so carefully packaged. Ooh, okay. So these are products that I've tested. This is cinnamon candy apple. These products are cuticle putties. They are super emollient. They really, really work well. I am allergic to lanolin, so I don't use these very often, but I can use them from time to time. But they smell so divine, and they really do great on your cuticles. So don't forget to oil up your cuticles every day, or maybe apply this in morning and night. And I'm going to try to, oh, here we go. Oh, I can't even. I'm really sensitive to fragrance. I really hate fragrance. The scents that Therese uses in these putties are just great. They're always smelling delicious. I don't know what her secret is. But so you just apply it around your cuticle area. And, you know, you can leave it sit there for a few minutes. I tend to put on nitrile gloves so that and I really cake on the cuticle putty and et cetera, et cetera. So that is fun. If you're interested in more flavors and scents of those tend to be available in like the Polished Gamers box and the Polish Pickup is the other one that I'm thinking of. And sometimes the charity box where these different scents are available. The charity box this past month had coffee cuticle putty and coffee cuticle scrub from Therese, the Beautometry, and it was so amazing. If you're a coffee fan, man, I hope you had the opportunity to pick that up. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is day 8. And we have some jewelry here. You know, I'm glad that I'm opening these up every day. It's just so much fun to come downstairs and find yourself a little present to open coming up to Halloween. Halloween's my favorite holiday. And sure, okay, these aren't spooky, but they're awesome. And you bet I'm going to be wearing them this month. Well, many months, actually. And this blue is a really lovely blue, too. These are wire hooks with the little guards, which is handy because I need those guards. I don't know what I do to my ears during the day, but anyway, I'm so glad my ears are pierced. This is great. So I'm not going to try that out for you. That would be odd. Nobody sees my face today. So I think I know what's in here. And we have a mani that I'm about to do for you here. Let's see if I'm right. Look at this little ghosty bag. Again, keep adding your comments, but I can't see them when I'm podcasting when I'm filming this way. But very, very, ooh, okay. So let's see what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and cut in here because your nails are jewels, not tools. Remember. And okay, so this is a powder. It's a magic powder, and I'm going to go ahead and try it out right now. I made up some sparkly white swatch sticks here so that I can show you how I stamp with powders. I don't get a lot of huge spoilers, but I have kind of an idea of what I'm going to do every day so that I can do some really fun things with you. I'm so in love with these maggot nails though, guys. I really, really love them. The polish underneath this is from a Lynn B polish. She had like a neons that were super like kind of iridescent. Okay, so this color is called Jellyfish, and it does come with the little applicator thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a white stamping polish. Here we go. Just a generic white. It doesn't matter what brand. Because the way that I do these, now you can use a foil or Powder's special stamping product. Like, do I have it here? Yes, I do. So Stuck on You is a sticky black from Hit the Bottle that works really well. But you're going to take your foggiest clear stamper, because this method will fog it up slightly. I've been using this for about 3 years for all my powders, and you can still really see through it though. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the eyeshadow applicator to rub some of this. Ooh, that's nice and bright. Very fun. Now, if it were a darker color, I would probably, gosh, this iridescence is really lovely. I don't know if you can see that. Now, if it were a darker, I'd probably use a black. But what I do, because I really like a very caked on look for my powder, is first I apply it to my stamper. And remember, a very little goes a long way. This thing itself will last years. So, okay, so if you see my stamper here, this particular thing really doesn't have a time limit. So, you can kind of forget that you're stamping, make your toddler lunch, and then come back and start stamping again. For our little, let's see, what do I want to do? I'll do something like this where you can really see. This is a negative space image with all sorts of little ghosties here. Again, this is a plate you can get at Beautometry, Spooky Halloween. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that stamper that I've already applied the powder to. And then the top coat, stay with me here because the top coat's going to be slightly different than you usually do it too. So it would be great if I kept my scrapers anywhere close to me. All right, so then you drop everything. All right, so now what I'm going to do is find one of my things. What I mean by things is swatch stick. You see all those little ghosts? I waited a little bit too long, and you've got some breakdown of the design, but really not very much. And you can see all that iridescence comes off on the stamping polish. Beautiful little powder there. So that is how I use mermaid powder. And then there is a secret, a very big secret. You don't put your Seche Vide or whatever your quick dry glossy top coat is right on top of that. Now, for longevity and wear proof kind of durability, you're gonna eventually use a quick dry glossy or whatever it is you use. Okay, this isn't great. I haven't used this in a little while. I'm afraid I'm gonna pop my nails off. All right, so this is watertight. It's a water-based top coat from Hit the Bottle. This is the size I got. This has lasted me so long, because you use it very sparingly, okay? So here's what I'm doing with this. I'm just gliding it across here. This is also great for using on stamping polish where you don't want the design to smear. I also use the hairspray trick. I swear by it. This is so pretty. I hope you can all see that. All right, and this will be our last little event for today. Don't forget, every day at noon, don't forget to join our little giveaway club. The post, I guess, with all the entries where I assign you numbers is in the International Nail Art Society with Beautometry group. Just search for giveaway. or giveaway hit the bottle. All right, so I don't know if I'm blowing in your ear. I'm just trying to make sure that this is dry. I suppose I don't really need to wait for it to dry all the way because I'm just showing you how to do a thing. I'm not needing to do the thing actually perfectly because I'm not wearing this nail out and about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glossy quick dry top coat, whatever your preferred one is, now that the water-based top coat is dry. And I'm going to go ahead and remember though, okay, so I didn't actually tell you this. Don't wrap the tip on your water-based top coat because that will actually make it peel for the water-based top coat. At least that's what I've seen on some groups. Well, let's not put hair on my, there we go. Sorry about that. Anyway, so now over this, I just applied my quick dry top coat, and magically, actually, I don't know if you can see it because the gloss, the camera, in my naked light, I can see that it's all still beautiful and iridescent, but the camera is actually picking up the gloss from the top coat rather than the iridescence. Interesting how they're competing. So, but that way you get your protective coat as well as your iridescence. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it, everybody. Let me know if you had some fun with me today. I really enjoyed these things. This is so much fun, this whole process. Thank you for coming by. And I really hope that you join us tomorrow. And I will see you soon. And if you didn't catch this live, I hope you're watching my YouTube channel. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.